Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Izzati binti Muhammad Rizal. Today I will present Chapter 3, Subtopic 3.3, How do Porter's Competitive Forces Model and the Value Chain Model, Synergy, Core Competencies, and Network Economics help companies develop competitive strategy using information system. I will continue for point the Internet impact on competitive advantage, the business, value chain model and synergy, core competencies and network-based strategy. The first thing is the Internet impact on competitive advantage. As we can see, because of the Internet, the traditional competitive forces are still at work, but competitive revival has become much more intense. Internet technology is based on universal standard that any company can use, making it easy for rivals to compete on price alone and for new competitors to enter the market. Because information is available to everyone, the Internet raises the bargaining power of customers who can quickly find the lowest cost provider on the web. For smart product and the Internet of Things, the growing use of sensor in the last one is synergy, core competencies, and network-based strategies. For synergy, one use of information technology in this synergy situation is to tie together the operation of disparate businesses units so they can act as a whole. Second is enhancing core competencies. A core competency is an activity for which a firm is a world-class leader. Core competency may involve being the world's best miniature part designer, the best package delivery service, or the best in film manufacturer. In general, a core competency relies on knowledge that is gained over many years of practical field experience with a technology. Third is network-based strategy. Network-based strategies include the use of network economies, a virtual company model, and businesses ecosystem. Network-based strategies include the use of network economics, a virtual company model, and business ecosystem. For the network economic refer to market situation where the economic value being produced depends on the number of people using a product. Second is a virtual company. A virtual company, also known as a virtual organization, uses network to link people, assets, and ideas, enabling it to ally with other companies to create and distribute product and service without being limited by traditional organization boundaries or physical location. The last one is business ecosystem. Business ecosystem is another term for this loosely complete but interdependent network of suppliers, distributors, outsourcing firms, transportation service firms, and technology manufacturers. The concept of the business ecosystem builds on the idea of the value web described earlier, the main difference being that cooperation takes place across many industries rather than many firms.